Hello and welcome to one more chapter of latest inventions in technology field. We go around the world of technology to find those entrepreneurs who are going to impact the world very soon and who are looking for financial support.
At the front door.
Can I help you?
Does Frank live here?
No, I think you have the wrong house.
Hey, what are you doing here, man?
Look, we didn't invent chess. But back in 2016, we completely revolutionized the way it's played. Paired with an app, you could now play with your friends across the world, or challenge millions of players online. Or go man against machine and take on the board's AI, all this right on your automated chessboard. After weaving thousands of such stories around the world, we're back. Introducing the Square-Off Neo, a state-of-the-art automated chessboard with features you've never seen before. It's more compact, faster, and simply smarter. All of those into one super affordable chessboard. But then we asked ourselves, why stop at just chess? We bring to you the Swap Board. An ultra-cool board gaming platform with a surface on which you can play multiple board games on. Who would have thought that one day the chessboard would make its own moves? And our adaptive AI auto-adjusts itself to your level of ability. You wanted speed? We heard you. With some crazy engineering under the hood, we've now incorporated Blitz. And it's so fast, it moves even before you think. Simply select your preference, change the pieces, and you have a brand new game. What's not to love? Pit your wits against your buddies, whether they're next door or across the world. And don't forget to make new friends along the way. And if you're still not on board with these games, how about developing one yourself?
Hello.
For those of you still on the learning curve, combining the best of smart digital learning and real-life coaching, we've built Victor. Using a unique multi-sensory approach, Victor is tailored, not programmed. Always accessible, Victor is the personal chess coach you've always wanted. He's so real, it's almost spooky.
It's time for your next session, John.
We left our board with a bunch of people, and this is what they had to say.
I like the fact that you can see how you've done after the game. You can analyse what you did wrong.
It would benefit me playing against other people around the world who can better my game instead of playing the same people I play every day.
A friendly voice, much better way of learning something.
Together, we've created a community for all of you. The social gamer, the gaming recluse, the beginner, the veteran, and everyone in between. Two friends one day decided the way the world plays board games.
2 years in, and we are a step closer towards revolutionizing the future of board game. And we can't thank you enough.
With Neo and Swap Board ready to join the Square-Off family. our R&D is through and manufacturing is in place. This time, we are equipped with a passionate team and most importantly, with experience on our side.
The only thing that is missing is your support in helping us create these ultimate board gaming platforms. And with swappable board gaming surfaces next in line, this is just the beginning. So please back us and share our campaign.
And don't forget, the magic that astounded you in the first place continues.
It was like real life Harry Potter.
Basically connects people across the world.
All we need to keep the magic going is for you to get on board and get this kick-started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Max, and I'm a mechanical engineer from Minneapolis, Minnesota. It was my lived experience in Singapore that first got me interested in both public health and in respiratory protection. And it was those key insights that drove me to create a better mask for daily use. All of that work resulted in the B2 mask. It's a lightweight, reusable respirator that offers 99% filtration against common airborne contaminants. The face piece is one of the best aspects of the design because it flexes to a user's face, creating an airtight seal that offers better protection than existing masks. It's also foldable for easy storage in a purse or bag. And because of the construction, it's easy to clean and maintain, either in a dishwasher or with alcohol-based sprays. Our filters are small and offer 99% filtration against common airborne contaminants. And unlike N95 masks, which have large domed shapes and complicated assembly, our small filters can ramp up in production really quickly in order to meet the demands of people around the world. In addition to superior technology, the other thing that's really important to people working at Breathe 99 is access to that technology. That's why for every B2 we sell, we'll donate one to a person in need. Together, we will get through these trying times, and I thank you for your support.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the world looking for new inventions and inventors. They will impact the world.